Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this weather-resistant outdoor cable. Now, this is the cable right here, and I did want to mention that this cable is specifically compatible only with certain brands of security camera and certain models, so just make sure that yours is going to be compatible. But this cable right here is really pretty cool. This is one end of the cable. You just simply plug it into your wall, and again, this is designed for an outdoor cable, but you certainly could use it indoors if needed. The other end here is a USB-C port here that will plug into the security camera, and you'll notice this kind of rubber style kind of grommet around the edge of the USB-C port there. I really like that a lot. And you'll also kind of notice the kind of a tight enclosure around all the different components of this cable, as it is designed to be a little bit more weather resistant. Now, I love the fact that you get so much length to this cable. This is a 25 feet worth of cable here, and then this whole portion here is actually a flat cable here, and if you've ever mounted flat cables, you know they mount much easier, and I do appreciate that they came with these mounts here in the set. But overall, I've been really impressed with this cable. I think it's really nice and high quality, and I'd highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.